my channel.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. It's a global concept. Here we review to you interesting and must-get products from both international and local markets. We bring them closer to you, and we also help you in procurement of the products. So if this is your first time coming across our channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified any day, anytime we drop another product review like this one. So having done all those, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So let's dive into today's product review. So today we'll be talking about this wonderful product, as you can see already in your screen. This is a Mini Foldable Portable Washing Machine. Yeah, as you can see in your screen already, this is a portable machine, a portable washing machine. So introducing the Mini Foldable Washing Machine, your ultimate laundry companion. Are you tired of lugging heavy laundry baskets to the laundromat or dealing with bulky traditional washing machines? Say goodbye to those hassles and embrace the future of laundry with this Mini Foldable Washing Machine. In a fast-paced world where time is of the essence, mundane chores like laundry can feel like an insurmountable hurdle. Traditional washing machines are bulky, expensive, and often inconvenient for those with limited living space or a nomadic lifestyle. That's where this Mini Foldable Washing Machine steps in, redefining the way you approach laundry. Revolutionary space saving. Imagine having a washing machine that doesn't dominate your living space. This Mini Foldable Washing Machine is ingeniously designed to be compact and foldable. It is the perfect solution for urban dwellers, college students in cramped dormitories, RV enthusiasts on the road, or anyone seeking an efficient, space-saving laundry companion. When not in use, this remarkable washing machine seamlessly folds up, effortlessly blending into your surroundings. Okay? Powerful cleaning with minimal effort. As you can see this machine here right now in this video, don't underestimate the power of this compact wonder. Despite its size, this Mini Foldable Washing Machine delivers a powerful and thorough cleaning performance. Your clothes will emerge fresh, vibrant, and spotless, just as if they were treated by a full-size washing machine. It is a testament to the advanced technology packed with this little gem. Simplicity at its finest. Understanding that your time is precious. That's why I decided to review this product to you, to bring it closer to you, to make you see this product, this Mini Foldable Washing Machine, because this machine is as easy as ABC. It is very easy to use, very simple to use. Just load your laundry, add detergent, set the timer to your desired wash cycle, and let the machine do the rest. Okay? There are no complicated settings or bewildering buttons. It is user-friendly and hassle-free. It enables you to multitask. Okay? It enables you to do other things while it is washing your clothes. You don't really need to stay close to it and monitor it. Just load your laundry, load your clothes, add detergent and fill water. Then you set the time. Then when the timer elapses, okay, the machine will stop washing, and when you now come back to the machine, it might have washed your clothes. Very neat. Your laundry your way, anywhere. The portability of this machine is a defining feature of it. Whether you are embarking on a camping adventure, a cross-country road trip, or simply need a quick laundry fix at home, This versatile appliance is your dependable companion. It weighs next to nothing. It is very light, it is very weight, and is easily transported wherever life takes you. This machine is also eco-friendly. Being environmentally conscious is more important than ever. Okay, this mini foldable washing machine is designed with sustainability in mind. It minimizes water and energy consumption, helping you reduce your carbon footprint while saving money on utility bills. This machine can be used with a smoothing to clothing alone. It is not limited to washing clothes alone. Use it to wash baby clothes, delicate fabrics, towels, or even small household items. Its versatility makes it an indispensable addition to any home. Silent harmony. Bid farewell to the disruptive noise of traditional washing machines. This mini foldable washing machine operates quietly, ensuring a peaceful laundry experience without disturbing your surroundings. Alright? And it is built to last. Durability is at the heart of the design of this machine. Crafted from high-quality materials and engineered for longevity, this mini foldable washing machine is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. It is an investment that pays off for years to come. Alright, embrace the future of laundry. Laundry day doesn't have to be a chore. Okay, embrace the future of laundry with the mini foldable washing machine. Say goodbye to laundry room houses, heavy baskets, and the limitations of traditional machines. Embrace unparalleled convenience, efficiency, and sustainability with a compact marvel that promises to transform your daily life. Alright? So make laundry day a breeze and revolutionize the way you clean your clothes with the mini foldable washing machine. Contact with the number in the description so that we help you procure this machine. It is very affordable. It is very affordable. Put them down in the comment section. If you have questions, if you have recommendations, put them down in the comment section and we will get to it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.